the realm of workplace accidents and chemical spills, every second counts. The rapid response to emergency situations can often be the line between minor inconvenience and severe injury. With regulations such as those set out by both ANSI and EN standards, positioning of safety equipment is vital to ensure that anyone affected by a nearby chemical spill can quickly decontaminate to mitigate further harm. Here are some points to consider when choosing where to position a safety shower. A safety shower should be within 10 seconds reach or 20 meters of a hazard. This proximity ensures that casualties can quickly access a nearby decontamination station and are exposed to chemical burns for minimal time, significantly reducing the severity of injuries. Preventing trip hazards is also essential. Standards stipulate that the unit must be on the same level as the hazard and have the surrounding area be free from obstructions. This is particularly crucial to casualties who may be visually impaired, who would struggle in navigating stairs or obstacles. The unit should be clearly visible with an effective signage that conforms to ISO 7010. The shower must be clearly discernible to all workers in the nearby vicinity. For additional visibility, an optional alarm and beacon can be fitted to the unit which will activate with the shower. This alerts any nearby staff who can then assist the casualty where necessary. Once the positioning of the units has been decided, it's essential to communicate to all workers the location and correct operation of decontamination points so that they are well prepared in an emergency. Any site visitors or working contractors that are new to the site should be informed of the location and operation of nearby safety equipment during their site induction. Hughes Safety Showers are a leading manufacturer of safety and eye face wash equipment with over 55 years of expertise. For further advice and to browse Hughes' range, visit our website at hughes-safety.com.